Hi guys, and welcome to this exciting tutorial where I'll be showing you how to make a pattern for this double circle sketch that you can use for ball gowns and other designs. So the measurement you're going to be using is your waist circumference measurement. Then we're going to calculate the radius. So we're going to get the measurement that we calculated for the waist, then divide it into two because we're making two separate skirts. So let's assume your measurement was 38 inches. You're going to divide 38 by 2 and it's going to give you 19. So that means we're going to make two circles using the radius of 19 each. So like I said, when you divide your waist by 2, whatever waist you find, you're going to make two separate skirts in order to make a double circle skirt. So let's calculate the radius for 19. So the radius is going to be divided by, you're going to the circumference divide by 6.28, and that is going to give us 3. So 6.28 is a standard measurement. So that's how you calculate the radius. So I'm going to make two separate radius sketch using the radius of 3. So I'm going to start with my first skirt. I'm going to fold my pattern drafting paper at the center, as you can see. I'll fold it once, then I'm also going to fold it the second time. I'm also going to fold it twice, as you can see. Then remember the radius we calculated 3. I'm going to mark it right here on the folded side. So I'm just going to get my measuring tape and I'm going to start rotating it and marking right here. So I'll just be moving my measuring tape with my 3, as you can see. I'll keep rotating and moving it. So I'm going to join my points. Then next, you're going to cut this out later on. But first we're going to determine the full length of the skirt. So you're going to measure how long you want your skirt to be. From this point, you'll mark the full length of the skirt. Then you're going to be moving your measuring tape on the radius, as you can see. Then keep marking. So I'll be moving my tape, as you can see. Then I'll keep marking down. Then I'm going to join the points. Then we're going to cut out the radius, starting with the radius and the full length. So I have my first circle. So remember the double circle, you're going to have two circle skirts. So I'm going to get another piece of paper to make the second one. I'll fold it at the center. This is fold number 1. Then I'll give it a second fold, which is fold number 2. So I'm just going to place this other skirt on top of my paper and I'm going to trace it out. So I'm just going to get my pair of scissors and cut this out. Well, let me just join the radius part as well. So I have 2 circles. I'm going to cut at the center and join them together. So this is what gives the beautiful double circle sketch. This is how you easily make it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing and pattern drafting.